All right. Car's got to be washed and then wax and grease remover done to it before I prime it. Same thing with everything I've got hung up, masked off. So it's been a long weekend getting this far, and going to be a couple more days to get everything cleaned up and ready, and hopefully we'll be doing primer next weekend. So that's where we are. I mean, I've been sanding for the last 2 days and then prepping this whole garage, trying to clean up as much as possible. Still got a lot of dusting to do to clean up and move things around. Like I said, this car has got to be masked off all the hell. I removed all the dusty plastic that was on it. That way I can, cover the wheels back up with, plastic that doesn't have dust on it after I wash everything. And whew, man, it's been some work. But we got everything hung up, and I should be able to maneuver around in the garage just enough to get everything sprayed, and we'll go from there. So, and got my whole little fan set up for underneath the garage door. Kind of put something together and sealed it, and luckily my heater's back working in the garage, so we'll be able to get it all done, and hopefully it'll look good. Like I said, it's just about the second set of primer, high build. So going to put a good amount of primer on there and then start block sanding for paint. Fun times.